Hi guys, this is for the reading of our fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Tignan na natin kung anong meron sa ating mga fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, tingnan natin guys. Anong meron sa ating mga fire sign? Okay. Ano meron sa ating mga fire sign? Okay. Wanting to break free, choosing happiness, completion, realization. Okay. Fearless, ambitious, impulsiveness. Okay. Well, I have here from the bottom of your deck is the cold-hearted cruelty. Okay? Ayan o, nakabaligtad, naka-reverse yung ating Queen of Swords. Okay? Cold-hearted, cruel, bitterness. Meron dito parang hindi pa nakaka-move on. Pwede rin naman, meron dito may tinatrato ng silent treatment ng kanyang specific person. Okay? Or kung hindi naman, tinatrato ka sa bahay ninyo ng silent treatment, ganyan. Merong ditong parang dahil sa pagka-bitter niya is naging malupit, naging cruel, naging masungit, naging suplado, suplada, ganyan. Okay, let's see. I have here the wanting to break free. Okay. Choosing happiness, completion, realization. Meron ng pagtatapos ng cycle. Yeah, yung manifestation mo na sana matapos na to. Yeah, andito na. Magtatapos na siya or nagtapos na. Ayan, nagtapos na. Andito na yung ating death card. Ending, separation, profound, change, rebirth. Yeah, we have here already. And then we have here also the Knights of Swords, fearless. Yeah, dahil sa nagtapos na, lumakas na yung loob mo. Pero wag masyadong impulsive yung dating, okay, hinay-hinay lang. Okay, hinay-hinay lang. Taking action, opportunities, calling, renewal. Yeah, eto na. Dumarating na lahat ng opportunities mo dahil natapos na tong cycle na to na kung saan parang natotoxican ka na. Okay? Parang, enough na to, ayoko na to, tama na to. Ganun eh. Tapos kasi nandito yung, with this opportunity na darating din sa'yo, andito rin yung magkakaroon ng competition sa trabaho. Okay? Dito sa opportunities na to na darating sa'yo. Merong magkakaroon ng challenge, may struggle, may konting problema na darating. Pero don't worry kasi malalampasan mo rin to. Okay, kasi ato na dire-diretso na with the judgment card natin. And then we have here the teamwork, collaboration, group success. Yes, yes, yes. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa trabaho nga. Magkakaroon ng competition sa trabaho with this collaboration kasama yung iyong mga grupo, mga ka-teamwork mo. Okay? At hinay-hinay lang kasi nandito yung aggravate natin si etong Knights of Swords, very impulsive to. Huwag ka masyadong impulsive ha, dahan-dahan lang. You have to collect your energy. Be more wise of your spending of your not money your energy. Okay? Kolektahin mo lahat ng energy mo. Huwag kang Wag mong wina-waste of time yung oras mo, yung panahon mo sa mga tao na alam mong pina-plastic ka. Mag-focus ka doon sa trabaho mo, okey? As long as na wala kang sinasagasaan na tao, sige lang. Pero dahan-dahan lang, hinay-hinay lang, kailangan mong magpahinga, ha? Matulog ka ng tama sa oras, may nakikita rin kasi ako dito na malakas magpuyat, okey, ha? Okey, guys? And then let's see what is the messages for you of our animal spirit. Okay, let's see, guys. Tingnan natin ano yung ibibitaw sa'yo ng ating animal spirit. Okay, let's see. Ayan. Dear, this is a reminder to be more gentle with yourself and others. The grace, sensitivity, and gentleness of the spirit animal echo the qualities brought forth when living from the heart. Gentleness. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, hinay-hinay lang. Kasi nandito yung ating impulsive. Andito si Knights of Swords. Ito yung pabara-bara. Kaya hinay-hinay lang, okay? Dear, ayan o. I-screenshot nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mabasa ng maayos. Okay, guys? Ayan, nakalapit naman siya sa camera and then naka-autofocus naman. Ayan, paki-screenshot na lang po. Okay. At what else? If you want a personal reading, guys, you can direct message me here in my Facebook account. Just ask my admin team for the pricing of the personal reading. Yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading. Okay? At yun lang po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.